In this video, we'll take a look at the Bluetooth Low Energy Survey and how to export an AMP file. The topics covered will be viewing a Bluetooth Low Energy Survey, sorting and filtering survey results, generating a Bluetooth Low Energy report, and exporting an AMP file from Link Live. The first step in viewing a Bluetooth Low Energy Survey is to click on the AirMapper icon on the left side of the screen. From here, we can see a list of all the surveys that have been performed. Currently, the Bluetooth Low Energy Survey option is only available on the Etherscope NXG. Still, it may become available for other NetAlly tools in the future. The Bluetooth Low Energy Survey data is collected in parallel to both Wi-Fi passive and active surveys, if Bluetooth is enabled on the Etherscope NXG at the time of the survey. Bluetooth site survey data is included as part of the AirMapper project upload or an AMP file saved locally. From here, I'll select one of the surveys. If the survey contains Bluetooth Low Energy data, the BLE Survey option in the upper right corner will be selectable. To view the Bluetooth Low Energy Survey, I'll click on BLE Survey. As with the Wi-Fi survey, we can choose which Bluetooth Low Energy options we would like to view on the heat map. This option may be selected by clicking on the drop-down arrow in the option field. A list of all available options will be displayed. Depending on the option selected, the threshold slider may appear next to the option. Any Bluetooth device that is transmitting at or above the threshold will be included in the heat map. Directly below the options field is the legend slider. This slider works as a filter. When viewing the heat map, any area on the heat map below the value set in the legend slider will be grayed out. This is very helpful when identifying those areas of the floor plan where the signal strength may be below the desired levels. There are two ways to set the legend slider. Either click and move the slider to the desired setting, or enter a value located in the field below the legend slider. In either case, the heat map will update the coverage based on the configured value. In some cases, you may only want to display information for specific addresses, beacon types, company names, or other Bluetooth settings. This is where filters come in. Filters allow you to display a subset of the survey data collected. As an example, I can set a filter based on company name. By selecting multiple filter criteria within this window, I can drill down to the information that is most important to me. Once applied, the filters are displayed next to the Filters button. These filters may be removed by clicking on the X next to each filter. The floor plan may not always be positioned as we'd like. By clicking on the Rotate Floor Plan icon, the floor plan may be rotated. This allows you to change the orientation of the floor plan regardless of the orientation used during the survey process. There are times when you will want to zoom into a portion of the heat map. The Zoom tool shows the current scale. Clicking on the plus button will zoom in and the minus button will zoom out. This tool may be moved around the screen by clicking and dragging on the two lines in the upper left corner. Display settings allow you to change what is displayed on the heat map. The available settings are Path. This shows the path the surveyor took. Roam points. This is only available when performing a Wi-Fi active survey and does not apply to the Bluetooth Low Energy Survey. Values. Enabling values will display the value of the selected option at each of the survey points. Signal propagation. This value is set to the value specified when the survey was configured. Changing this value will change the size of the circle for each survey point. If comments are present within the survey, the Comments checkbox will be present. This allows you to turn comments off and on. Comments may be added to the survey by holding down the control key and clicking on the desired location on the floor plan. This is a great way to annotate the survey with key information. Clicking on a survey point will bring up a window that displays the detailed information measured at that point. The information displayed in this window will vary based on the type of survey performed and the option selected at the top of the screen. The columns may be sorted by clicking on the column header, and the location of each column may be changed by clicking and dragging on the column. The filter field at the top of this window may be used to filter down on specific results. This is a free string match field. For example, if I enter EVT, only those Bluetooth devices containing EVT will be displayed. This is a great way to reduce the devices in the survey point details down to only those devices of interest to you. Clicking on the Tools icon in the lower right corner will display additional tools for the Bluetooth Low Energy Survey. These tools include Add to Template, View Templates, Generate Report, and Download PNG. Let's look at these in detail. Add Template. This creates a template based on the current settings. You will need to assign the template a unique name when saving it. Creating templates significantly reduces the time to generate a report, as multiple templates may be selected during the report generation process. These templates are separate from the Wi-Fi and analysis templates. They apply only to the Bluetooth Low Energy surveys. View Templates provides a means to manage the templates that have been created. All of the saved templates are displayed. The settings for each template are shown below the name. Clicking on View will apply the template to the current survey. Templates may be deleted by clicking Remove. Generate Report will generate a PDF report and save it to the Uploaded Files section of Link Live. The first step is to configure the cover page. Here we can add a logo, enter a title for the report, assign labels, and provide a description. Next, we'll select the templates that will be used when generating the report. In order to create a report, you must first create at least one template. By default, all available templates are selected. Deselect those templates you don't want included in the report. After you've selected the desired templates, click Generate to create the report. If I switch over to Uploaded Files, I can see that the report is being processed. As soon as processing is complete, the report may be downloaded. There may be times when you want to include the current heat map in a report or presentation. Selecting Download PNG will save the current view to a PNG file on your computer. The file may then be imported into a document or saved as part of the survey information. Exporting an AMP file. In another video, we went through how to import an AMP file from the AirCheck G2 or Etherscope NXG. From within Link Live, we can export an AMP file containing all of the survey information. This is useful when you want to share an AirMapper project that was uploaded directly to Link Live from a unit. There are two primary reasons for exporting an AMP file from Link Live. The first is to import the file into AirMagnet Survey Pro. This allows a Wi-Fi engineer to analyze the survey data using AirMagnet Survey Pro on a PC. Survey Pro may then be used to generate advanced reports or perform more in-depth analysis. The Import AMP file feature is supported on AirMagnet Survey Pro version 10 and above. The other reason for exporting an AMP file is to transfer the survey information to another organization. An example would be where you performed a survey for a customer. The customer could set up their own organization and import the AMP file. This allows the customer to view the results of the AirMapper survey without having access to your organization. In summary, the Bluetooth Low Energy Survey in Link Live provides an in-depth view into the Bluetooth survey results. These survey results may be viewed by anyone in the organization without the need for special software. Creating a library of templates will reduce the time it takes to generate consistent reports. Exporting AMP files allows the survey to be viewed in AirMagnet Survey Pro or imported into another organization within Link Live. Be sure to check out our other videos on getting the most out of Link Live.